Mwancho mwerelia Ondizi TV ni mambiendengia ase entunda gatatu ime yomoroverio obwensakia asengo kwaliga ni bene ase entunde na okumanyinga nigo abagendi baitu babere bawekirana ime ye studio ya Ndizi TV bale ange bene tobe tugusanga na barobu igoro yamangana agenrete ase sekta yobo chenu ime ye county ya Kisii anene mono igoro yokokosereri kwabo komugiro nabo igo chinkwa nabo soko igwana na kwabo kokorokana alituko ria Ijumaa egati yomugabana we county ya Kisii nabo igo negati yabanyagitari bose abakoreri ase ewizara yobo chenu astorenere Aggrey Orwenyo oyoro muliki omunene w'ekyombe gya KMPDU orosagia Rwanyanza nabo igo Victor Bwanchete kurwa ase county ya Kisii nere omuliki w'ekyombe gya kuko ase barabe usangana intu bene ase umanju muri Ndizi TV ndorago tiga isiko nabo gwanda gusangana intu ekangereri kyao bwetera ase omtandao o Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News nabo bwetera ase namba ito ya 0792192834 nabo bigo tusangana intu bwetera ase WhatsApp 0792192834 obigo sangana intu bene anene mono igo ime yomoroberio obwensakia tobeto kusangana bene karua amaboli ago nabo igo kerengeli kyao igoro yobokoreri wobo chenu ime ye county ya Kisii ase igo ase nchabo gendi beto no bara ime studio tiangira ni bali ya bene kubaliga ni bene ase omoroberio obwensakia wakire buja Victor wakire Mr. Aggrey daktari wakire buya na kimambienere emambierero nashukuru Mungu loje kunyirira kigima yes korende imensa kika amangana agendra nabo igo wikatone kinga toberto kumanyia omorigeria oito Ondizi TV tuchakere asensema ya daktari Aggrey tumanyia ningo alafu totebinga inkyotenete na ndenge yokorera abokoreri bwao
sama idangor ku daktari Aggrey Orwenyo Nyabuti nje secretary y'ekyombe ky'abanyagitari KMPDU semo ya Nyanza Nyanza ere comprised in each counties sano nemo 6 counties Kisii county ne moye county ito ase branch biamono
all right uche asensemo ya Victor totebya ningo na ende otomanyinga ngayokorera abokoreri bwao
Nkora ku Victor Bwanchete mu clinical officer anesthetist njomuri kugekyombe kya Kenya Union of Clinical Officer Kisii wono yande ntomire nyamachega sine county na last week last month lakini in MTC basically asa lecture in MTC
all right karibu sana ime yomoroberi wensakia asitutuko chugo cha kabene ase omoroberi nabo ikugochwa kachinkwa na bene na inesengenjo ni machenga litko lya lero mubwate engana kigima muganeti kumolekera ase litko lya lero tutakira se Aggrey inki mubwate litko lya lero
litko lya lero actually ko ikora butuko gati twachagete strike ikana to kwa na igaba nyagitari mbali gasi antari banyagitari boka na ole clinical officers abantu be lab abantu ba nutrition abantu tokoroka public health officers abantu tokoroka pharmaceutical technologists igoro tuko kera muntu nabe gite bikolye gasinse sengenjo ye mechando to abere to gwetera county ya Kisii
all right nyagitari kiechi asensema yao Victor nyagitari kiechi mote banga chia beti ko tigemerimo
nyagitari Johnson county including KTRH yeah sawa ndio ndio kutoka wali to signati wabwate representative yetu all clinical officers in Kisii county wale wale kutoka isiko bacha kitasasta chabutu yeah
all right bono tigango na cha sensema yao Aggrey lakini ndi producer nayo ntainga mote me commentario gyake na liya baligire betora bako bayigwa asenje wikirano imeroberi kimubwatiri tukolia rero ase igore mugiro yo akimubangete
tukolia rero kwansera saa 3 actually na kerto arura ko historical launch strike tambe kerto ni strike tukerie uchaka litkerie to konya launch igo kuruga ngo bentora alisko KTRH na abana chama baito Bonspi ende to speech verisa to ko inform public kikega ndrete kurwabo tumao chaka a procession to tare go chief officers chia chief officer health minister health to ruoro to genda rugo mpaka account public service board kure county public service board to irane to che county assembly to wate petition to wen to ko bai guru yeme chande to aver to wetera ne petition to ko ba to ko county assembly clerk ntonye ko petigo chia se health senate kuru to manya go trimbo ka to so treasury as offices chia human resource county na offices chia finance kuru to manya go ko rase office ya governor
All right. So je asense moya Victor. Omugiro yo ino wanjira ni ruboli bose mwaberu mukurwa a notice. Obole ndimboro.
Strike intonye na nete to na nete on 19th. Then na nete notice to police. Which is agreed, but saying anything it is granted to whenever mano procession muna tumuna natagri hata vile to kwenye chaka. So we expect our sigari batorende. Yeah.
All right.
Because we are peaceful. Tali gento to yusa to jagriketi ya rechi ya bantu wetu bakule muna bachandegete. Waende bakovisi chi county assembly to ende board bato butengi batara promotoria bantu. To ira ni human resource to buli mrieta ngiyali ngikendre. Yeah.
All right. Ni matenga mutarata ko mugiro yo mwabete mukurwa chinga kigete go chiase county ya Kisii. Ekatia mangana mwakanetia molekero na ralia ya Dr. Aggrey.
Mana mange kironyo kwa lorode notice to point chirangi komiga ente kenene kabisa promotions and designations abana chama baita abanyagitali clinical officers kero muntu tuanya kwa promoted keto to we kombia ni county chinde konyo no muntu na linkinere college my counterpart igare two job groups ahead than what the county ase to begete igotali ngana banyagitari bwo kero muntu tuanya kwa promoted to stagnated for so long kende ya kabiri na mangana ye mishahara konyoro utambe mishahara ye work as late as 20th the following month ya vere ko to inconvenience sana kende na mangana ye transfer chigoro koreka na enaholi togoroka arbitrarily transfer konyoro munyo oyo moneno abwate agechiri naye bosaigo ta ukorangiria ko buringie kebe ere no kuru instructions otebanga make sure monto mutume ase ata kunyara oikono legasi wango na ora so otomuna say even your specialty does it fit ekende actually agwikera buna still on transfers mono union officials ente serikali ya okoro ino kirichi unions kabisa and ya targeted sana union officials ko batuma go chiase chigas ya chita keiri kwete enjera yogo tema gukiria ba tuti ko bolia maswali ko bolia ibintu bikoro enjera ndongera biwenarete
All right, bintu binde igatiama yebiriro bino muganiti bimole mwa ligati bimolekero bose egento keko garanga mwataite kwenda somogiro
there are really intimidations and arbitrary transfers I think I talked to Citizen TV igoro ya riga bana ringe studio the following week mangana transfer and na keboli ankikiabet and by the way promote ya bantu lika bantu bantu paja kuliko Nairobi County ndoche ya lika bantu Kisii ere different so what is the problem Kisii ne wata abana bitu basomete ga abana bitu batagwatigasi bari jobless
abana mbalenga basomete maybe batarari ko naende
so far they are so but you see not necessarily abana bari Kisii job ko advertised it is equal opportunity for everybody 70% from Kisii and then 30% from outside then about insecurity of healthcare workers. And wait about one to Nyamarambe. Nyamarambe, it says in Yarome Green Corps KTRH. Koboli with Tumne Mechang. Yeah, it says in Kiokra KTRH. It says Sebuli, says Jamasabati to get it, Kurumum one only. Then talk about Bolivama, it says Kurumum to Nitre. When it says, but you see, Umuntu Yaromire Kako and Degas. Meaning, Ekerum one Yarko and Degas, and did Arigutara, Lady Street, Doki Morme, but these are trained dog, in government premise. Then you don't want to even treat this person. Then we go to Naina, when you go to Dodging, we are complaining irrelevant things. So, insecurity narrow in KTRH. And maybe to be or in KTRH, there is a lot of impunity. Ekarokoboli again, transfer you, or you study current BS management. Lakini kitoko bodi na ki why these punitive transfers? Omuntu yagitara mu Dr. yakorete pharmacovigilance. Dr. Nere ko Frida. Bamwirete osinge susu. Oyo bamwirete Masimba. Ncheno mwana anestheticist. Umungwana naro ko kumaina nere ba aka juice transfer ko ego director bakamwira etako. Mungwana oyo akorete anesthesia akore degree yae. Bamwirete etako setiate tai. Ayuro jetari ko staff. Nechitiate chire ange 5 in the whole county. So you see, I got to which point we are being blamed in we are doing politics. And there is no politics. Abantu was a department here, the man to Barabatu, Bawisaranse, was a Bawisaransa, Tukas, Bawisaransa, Batrasva. Yeah, Muntawisaransa, you. Katuram we attack. Mongoram, we might have a bit transferred 4 times by word of mouth. Musa Jesus. Jesus, no one waking on in the theater. So these kind of demotions, by the way, it demotivates healthcare workers completely. Let the transfers follow the law. Monte Carlo transformed, woman and general in 2020 September. Then I got was on Mivana and Agomakamatem, your transfer which the match. Tanya it was service or Cora, Echamani and Noyaring, Eric Carusi, war, Recareto. So the getting a replacement here, service need. Just a matter of intimidating union officials. Now, let's be genuine and trustworthy. That's why we have been begging for meetings. In Janagi, Born on Friday, we got a meeting about the Musa memorandum. No, and I mean, say, we get a messaging. Strictly must attend meeting.
Daktari ngocha tora sensemo yao kuratiga ke ensemo yemo ngocha tore nta itingira ne asensemo ya agri ensemo buna insecurity ayoro chinga ninseme county ke bwenete kumulekera bosibo ikono national government ne bwenete bose serikali enene ne bwenete kumulekera singencho insecurity ne ngana boigo ere ase serikali enene.
Actually, security ne responsibility ya kila mtu. County, national government, everybody in administrative position to make sure ngaba colleagues as well colleagues security nero. You want to blame national government yoketero koriki wenerete. Na neke to gamba ya insecurity go ikatokuwa negen to kia very common in town chiguns. Chiguns si chiko ko bwati no albaka so colleagues. No raso menyete. Igo asa una ba colleagues mono health. Kwanza na union officials. Toruko ibunga gole safe county. Go ibete okoba kwa ntege ntoto so kwali gete notice gete so kwa commenting ko gole maswali. Bintu bikole kanibia. Igo ko nyoronya kubwata bwatiko.
All right.
And also to comment I think I got on quality radio TV system. One of my officers and I tell me what thing you are. You are in bad books. Trade your ways very well. I have reported that matter to police in whatever Nanobi. A file of inquiry is being in Javet opened, so I'm waiting for DCI to act. If somebody harms me, go say my family, because I live in Kisii, Kisii County, and then I go so yeah.
All right. Tochi ase ensemo ya daktari. Ntubwata amangana akumulekera abakoli emirimo bonsi na ntubwate amangana akumulekera okonyoro omuntu oyomo asoyonde bose case by case person like bona amangana transfers na ntubwate ensemo yokwegerera omuntu bene lichiko leto nditwete bene inki motare go exhausteri chinchera chinde anene mono chokwene nikinga nkugaya na muri maybe kurwanirira abantu abanyende ntubwate bigambero inki motara chira maybe that option maybe ikagera umuntu onye kwatine nibwe mero na ntwisa negati nabako enda sikigambero ase coach
mbia mono utambe abakolega ase procedure nero mono chi unions chikubwati kere issue ya kere muchandora ase naona gatoko lile issue Bosongo Kisii County una chi unions to atumire the right channels to inform the Ministry of Labor michando yosto bwate formally to abalikira marube no le batala respond from our side to my think we have done the right thing rende nande county serikali kwende constitution whatever kwenda strike notice in less than 7 days not less than 7 days project into notice na to 14 days yani nto aite county enough time yo gotorangeri twetereme issues to wate one by one to na togo chitatua lakini wikira igoro butuko kati nto wate na option other than taking to injury to achire uchi.
All right. Atocha sense ya daktari materis riswali na rirengete ayebene mutarikira asomokiro asinge nchwate banga twisa negeti njera kwa beto gusukwimirimo ko irige tambukiro kiende bose bali babere bakogocheka asinge nchiyo gusukirwa bose go chenjwe mirimo ase batata eti bayirige tambukiro kiende no ena sekigambero
no matendo kwate form way of appealing maro bali dissatisfied akwenda ba request Imbaro Chiangela ni Rumbaro Chiangelo. My dad went to Union Bag Wanjala. It was they say it was an order. But Nchetipuati problem when there's a colleague as Nyamache. I was there before. And I'm willing to work even in Nyamache. Tinpuati problem when there's a Tungopoli. Why now? One minor. Momoru Sekiro give director. Momoina ni Matari Yususu. Bono ngiki transfer jigo chira manakani to ko levi ndiri ndi mwanya bantu and you see ekero transfer an officer what does the law say law yote umuntu amuna gukora 3 good years somewhere unless a service need alafu at the same time you have to be humanly fair umuntu wano tumetie samenyete kwa mwakire transfer already familia ya tumetie samenyete abana ngai bamenyete kwa mutumire usingo cheyi at the same time relocation bono wa disturb yabantu. So by the end of the day, you talk about expert transfer be humanly as possible. Even there is a court ruling regarding that in Meru. Transfers are not illegal, but let's do them in humanly possible ground. In consideration with the employee, Moko could discuss. I was not called about that transfer, and I did not request. So you could wear to Muchinamach. So by the end of the day, we have exhausted all avenues. I'm going to a county government talk about a meeting to sort issues. Initially, to what about it to what have body on Tayo, we are looking at it, the body on a to attempt to they are not giving us any solution. On a option, we invoke the constitution, we have a right to picket and strike. So, Ntuntora Korango Solidarity of Sevatana, coined strike. Any option, you to what employer take.
Bono tigangirane asensemo ya daktari Agri asinge njoma tengane ye totara kiromo giro ntoka netukumanyanga imwatemete ikiagira daktari Bwanchete nigakorwa se county ya Kisii ndatengi chabono asobisi ino enene ya KMPDO rwangorwa Nyanza na boigo ensengi ma ya Kenya ino bene ngetambukiro kike mwatemete kuirane ne mono kwene kinga mwambe mukumurikira mangana ya aba kolimero be county ya Kisii baenda tegwetera.
Actually approach ni you musani oni atevire tu avere tugutumia. It's the same approach. All right arafu ensemo yende tiangirane asensemo ya Agri tumanya uskabusyo toche busyo egatia magani ali mwabete mukurua wate magani 10 serikali county ya Kisii ya tegere no ne limo madina onyolenga yendo muchiro mugiro na sengenjo byose aonse ataraikirane ose baharigiri no ne kemo bara ligirane ndo ina kumi sana last week ndo one issue na promotions mate ntuna chiunu ndo wate database ya members baito kire monto job group kia ribono iga neri yabo ntokoba mi akire nganyo liru ndi abete promoted last ndo tayari ndo wate data hiyo lakini tu akwenti sana kurui county SMA county babwati yule kia to chanda sana asumo kutana tu watu tu watu yomo kanyora babwati data mbama yitingo wende kwa promoted ono iga tukasinyo likoska kugambe kuri H point chindo kuchimutu
igomo governor okay tutaraya nda sense meyo daktari ensemo ya clinical officers county ya Kisii kenengere babaligere ke bakunete wikira bono iga
meeting batarangite meeting on Wednesday or Tuesday we have negotiated before we are gurus of negotiations. Ekero employer yako rangeri amene gocha na win-win situation ewate naki abanta bachikiri nko sambare ngabalo they are like 200 na promote 50 ikigeni kwa debate story Mbabu ati data nyonse bati teko tena ki promotion and destination to gere bone body yachire haya kende ke batote kende kyonse kere tangible by the way. That's why we say even by the end of the day employee very serious kwa our issues. Paroli iyo tumune sese KTRH sese teta kinya kitali umwana uri sese romete. It's just call her, try to the company try to compensate because that is workmanship. Okay, occupation health something hazard dealt with by law. Once you are injured in workplace, there is a law which says like how do you compensate this officer? Now better treated, yes. So by the end of the day, lakini trava compensated. Yeah.
Alright. Umanchumurelia on Ndizi TV bunugwete bene nigo liberera genda teotira ime studio ya Ndizi TV ene mono igoro ya mangana gendra temon ane mono ase sector chenu account ya kisi aswende do sanganere agre orwenyo oyore omoliki omunene bwekyombe ya KMPDU orogongo rwanyansa nabo igo Victor Bwanchete korwa ase ekyombe ya kuko ane mono ekyombe kumulekera abakoli emeremo bare cleaning officers ase county ya Kisii asbandete korwa igo ebirero byabo nabo igotorera igoro ye kibarobe tirituko lyarera siko nabo ngote mwanchu muri Ndizi TV nabo kanda gusangana ntugwetera asenchera ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News nabo gwetera ase namba ito ya 0792192834 elindo be okorwa karengera kyao nabo igo amabolio anena mono igoro yamangana agendrete imi account ya Kisii anena mono egetago kyoborendi ndoche yobesha akatanga watching let the show Samuel Blessed sana tuned in Vincent Ondie ki tuned in Walter Ombongi thumbs up tune in from Kisii town. Emily Onderi outeba Ensakia doing good as amid its baraka za mvua this morning. Kevin Nyamoya tuko pamoja kama kawa tuned in from Kilgoris na Klaus Nyakeza teba Ensakia tuned in as usual moga kama Tembeche Gesora Ben Madukani jijini Getare Nikolok ndani wego mwalimu Edward Suneka tuned in halftime inakaribia kuisha. Sekolendo mwanchumurilia on Ndizi TV nigo twabatokoranga lichuko ria Juma omugavana we county ya Kisii bagakorangeria omusangerika nabo igo tokaranga nigo babakolikira nanse negati yabarai babakoli emeremo asegetago kyobo chenu anene mono kurwa ase county ya Kisii astobetokoranga nigo ensemo yababetote banga barabumba ligochia ase omugiri tengo torai wango naraliaya abetega koba ekero omugavana we county ya Kisii Paul Simba Arati abetega otwara egikaro negati yabakoli emeremo korwa ase county ya Kisii twenda sensemo ya kabere ye studio musabe omo director to Abigail Nyanchama agoto chieste torenga naraliaya ababete bagukwana.
The unions and the Kisii county government reached to an agreement, and we have signed the MOU which will guide us to operate peacefully.
To thank Our Excellency for having time to be with us. We have ironed some issues that we had, and we appreciate and we call our members that we are going to work because we have already signed an MOU so that we give our county time to look at it.
There are some things that we have agreed, very many of them. More so, we have agreed on promotions and resignation. At the same time, we have agreed on some issues like shortage of staff and the issues like risk allowance.
Under the direction of His Excellency the Governor, and we have appreciated the committed statement the county government of Kisii has made in addressing the nurses' issues, and more so, reinstatement of the dismissed nurses.
Every worker of the county, Monday, they will be at work. Doctors, clinicians, all of them, they're here, nurses. You have had all, even lab technicians, all of them, they have signed the MOU. The only thing we are saying is that we have tried to fix everything. I don't want to comment on what happened yesterday. Yesterday, myself, I was around. I was all over the county checking on many projects we are opening with the Prime Minister. Therefore, the only assurance is that my people will receive the services that they require, as it were.
Chumurelia Ondizi TV ayunaro abeteri tukole juma ase ense moja ATC asomo gavana we county ya Kisii Paul Simba Arati abete gagotwara okuigwana na negati yabakoli emeremo kurwa ase getago kyobo chenu ase county ya Kisii. Tuchakira sensemo ya Dr. Agre. Inkiora abego ukwana igoro yengana yabaga ko bali tuko lijuma astoroche okuigwana na egaji yabakoli emeremo nabo mugabana kwa gatanga nigo muigwana nirenga muirane asemeremo.
Mbia mono. Itukoli ijuma buna manyete abakoli gasi kuru sema ya nyagitari. Ba bete invited kwenda korega bana in 2 shifts. Ikulo kina bete manyete all through litukelio. Rende gochi marago baigana arenge out of town. Gunyeri bali basaba mali asena tumituchi. Asengo irange chisebere go ka town ka kerwe simino no mo minister konte nga enjoy meeting. To sign MOU within 40 minutes. MS jina nyorte very late. Ono ngeboli akuruiga asena jingo ika town nchiko sign MOU within 40 minutes. No le MOU tinye maiti nyarona. Ikiara ntuko tambe kertu ni strike ntuko recognize ntuko return to work formula not an MOU. A return to work formula is clear clauses. Ono abuche tindo chimanya kitali oro. Tindo chimana chama bana oro se meeting ino re eclipe kwa chezire. Aina rukanda ndatebe lakini ndo engoro. Ora uba kitu saini interview ngemo yu njina ko rekera ni maite the other union officials. Abantu kana beto ko recognize yabune his excellency the governor. Minister, the acting CS chief officer. Au bana je tiba maite na ngora.
Yes, to Charles Nseme Victor no ai gwate banga mwesi naba gusibale lakini naye omonya kirogo koru ani omoliki wekiombe gya kuko koruase county ya Kisii abu Dr. Gratenga matheno nyolera Nyanza nene no ba maite ose ingiora kwanere gore amangana
strike not destroy na net awanta ba kwa na boss pia unechi masqueraders. I call them masqueraders. Number 1 ekero to call it strike. Mwachite gari dance hotel mokarara watu bakwanite abantu amwe barochoro. Number 1 we call it strike. Abantu barangiri strike. It is KBDU where Dr. Tafuchi was there when we gave a strike notice. My Secretary General Kibore, then Secretary General Yalam Pius Nyakundi na chi union chichios mbari inge dance yali bakwana. So abantu abandi bakorwera barangiri strike ndio yitimba manyiti no ninje ega bakwana yitu tamanyiti for real member of they are in their conscious mind mama itege twakora Bawat union bako represent completely. Abantu bara batamaiti no ingento bakwana ega na pamaiti no strike notice minga kitonyena nite. And at the same time memorandum to sign iri chinyingi to sign iri memorandum nyo his excellency governor taracha in implemented no nekam. So by the end of the day memorandum neri sakara mogo sign muna diri his excellency president Uhuru Kenyatta rego tayaba gaseti ne ye sibenyama aga sakara ga to sign wartense. So by the end of the day a return to work formula is a law-binding thing that will allow you to deposit in court or industrial court such that you agree with the employer. So, ababachite ko sign memorandum. No anticipate message ngata ko sign memorandum. A memorandum nige to tumere a union. Then we sit and discuss and agree. You know, it is a vote. We have almost 7 members. Then from Nairobi we have the NEC, which will say we have agreed. And you count and even to tell 6 out of 10. Let's take, as we partake the others, we wait, go implement. So by the end of the day, in Tutoraro, I was taking the 40 minutes, and local message. No, it's a must meeting, you must attend. You know, some language are not palatable to individual who is an aggrieved person. It is a must attend. No, I cannot it's a must attend. Was when you is a must attend meeting. So by the end of the day, a structured way of communication. But that near to one and again to sign on when Tuesday to a gambit. But that Thursday, I communicate. My Secretary General in Rwanda, Kigali. In the Arabic Kigali, Rwanda, I can see, I was signing a memorandum. It's like it's signed by him, Nadavti. Now, Ababand must be a Uruchega, Abanavan to Jenko Mascaredas, Timbafaniti.
All right, Toche Asens.
Na mental week erabu, kia tu mental Tuesday last week. Ito one thing at kia ramba what data. Ya our members were due for promotions. But at a time, 2 minutes Thursday to buy data you. To nyete one by one to ring itora kole. When to water in Jim water when you 177 were due for promotions. But to talk about 7 tiga tu promoting or 20 avan to one like which mutona to okor. One into to many Thursday go another meeting, but to many from their side with regard to the 10 agenda issues we addressed. Go to the data. Thursday to Kabuta, Bunturangiri Mukutano. One I can talk about ambushed in Friday 5. 3, 4, 5 there. In within 40 minutes to sign MOU. To one and again. Well, Mangana, na committing a channel.
Tutigaleta sense mo ya agree engane karto koranga egachaba kuri emirimo ase egetago kyobo chenu bago sign memorandum bate abanga twakoriro mugiro engane ye korokinga okobega moramo boli bose kobega kana mkoro sense mo yabakori emirimo ase obo chenu moramo boli
amona
muri asobo mu bose mubagane abwa balenge nseme
Balinga baro. Gara to bana nisto not simbalingo. Tunto ba manyiti twalinga baro. Ya to manyiti.
All right.
One twalingo ni tuiga. You can even check at the previous media preview. One twalingo na very so ko kana ngoi. But what we need you never what to go join on board. To what the problem? What we need is common environment, working environment, ever friendly, and wait on your promotion. You can imagine. Monto taranya ko promotion. 10 good years, monto made message. 10 good years, I joke with them. So monto no you pay CPI. And most of them time I'm in the loan. When you get loan 10 years ago, eroni una kwenye service. At the same time, we count in every good salaries. Interest chiru kwa community mu wakana so mungwano yako menyebu gimbabule miserable by the end of the day, and I think you monto you are job group in the next like 10 years go retire or say 5 so you got you talk about promoted na promote job group people.
All right,
So we are making civil servants to be looking like abantu wako sawa completely because they want NSSF ya jaji kuna jaza 100 chitaya chiliwa aje knowledge SHIF ni chichi housing levy you. So by the end of the day EPC kweli mungwano uri emitire paka to montari kwa. So by the end of the day era road no emenya tari rent ya take reduce.
Right. Ngira na sense mo agreker moja mwaligereria mwakora omugiro oyo ngucho muri mwaligereria amasilai bose obosera buri bwa abarwaire kyagera nimate mubwata abayiri bagocha kwenda sinyagizari eki koliyo ko bwenigwa barakunko bari muleka moto omugiro muno
sana kirokora igikera ase tokwera ni strike ore abanachama wetu babike bikoliga vyombo byo kolega sinse ine the only option we have and we constitution yeto our laws ngwala uchire into strike lakini botambe no lekera to strike notice eto to asuro prepare the public na roire baito kera wanya kwebanga
all right nsema daktari Nkufarikire muri boli.
Yes, we consider our patients. No, then again, please, any option you go to work. That you go to. And you see, number one, again to get efficiency. Una KTRH. KTRH is our hospital. We have made it. Never going to wait. But it's running KTRH is becoming expensive. Era in here in time basing in work for CL Tijo. And then want to bring very few. Chicken comes a chirichinge. Doctors by you, by the way, they have never been employed. Like now, general medical doctors by you. Aya. Specialized doctors, Bake. Amanda Bajiri. Chicken goes at Jiri. Gio. Or Jiraga. Amanda Bakuri. On Varagay. Kayava, Tabakor, wait. So we feel massive for our patients. But by the end of the day, na into mwanya bantu tuli. Nga kitoko kora to ndrego chandika twese tunyakorera. Usitokoleke na litokonyeka twese.
Ase ama emesangarikane mengi twabetokoranga umugavana we county ya Kisii na bwo twabetokore tumusi o KTRH chigaiga obero tabanga nigo kurwa source obisi nigo KTRH yabiri gukina ase ekerengo yabiri gusuka kurwa ase kerenge kemugutia ase kerengo kende atabirenga no ene bango bagosangerire chibesa cyabere chigokina inu okay kenengere mu appreciate boli ose ukine kwebango kwabere ko kinyobo koleria ase nyagitalia ya KTRH chigasa usangerire boli.
Actually, nyagitari ya KTRH, that's a government hospital. Nyagitari ye serikali ndoro brag about things squeezing go ngatu generate income ngo make to profit. First function ye nyagitari ye serikali services. Lakini nje kurwa sinyika system na manya nyagitari prices ya very revised. Very revised, that's why probably okay timangana those figures lakini kendo kimanyete figures chia prices services chia very hiked probably kuitera no nyagitari ka cross chibesa over at the expense of services they are offering the patients.
I can give an example. Initially it's okay service delivery corresponds with what you pay. We can say message get na ligere tunga KTRH go pima your analysis. Yeah, 50 shillings. Size 150. I cannot substantiate, but it's a message I got. So even though we are very expensive, by the end of the day, ICU services. Initially, deposit by the way. Like in you deposit 50,000. You know, ICU, that is a terminal thing. KTRH is a government hospital. By the end of the day, we are employees of government and we are running salary. So if KTRH is making profit, amenity ya target and part of it we discussed about amenity. By the end of the day, but it's a private within KTRH. Vantu walipopata insurance, walipopata GPS, na wako and amenity. Umuntu uliye kama ni mwananchi yako enda nyangito wing, na wako beroro. I can tell you for free. Umuntu uliye utakuwa tuna card. Ta kwa priority onye ntia taguchi. And people can attest. Onye tora kutubu atikadi ya NHIF CCIC, osomo mwalimu osomo sikani. Toko beko amenity. And job nero. By the end of the day umuntu uliye amenity yako preference. Kubuyo bwate kadi ya kama ni mwananchi uwekile nyangito.
Alright, mwanchumuriria on Ndizi TV ebyo nebirengere libyo nyakitabe bawekera na ime studio ya Ndizi TV taribengere bya Ndizi TV asekolende nebirengere baendete korwa asinde tote banga endwe torense me agatigati astoko batoko tegerense meye nense meye asekolende no nebindu binde nabotora betokoligia ama tukabusyo account ya Kisii byo bagotoreranga enseme yabo nereli igoro yamangana ya agenrete ime ye county ya Kisii anene mono igoro yoko kosalibwa kumugiro ase lichuko liarero nensemo yabanyagitari kurwa ase county ya Kisii anene mono kurwa ase kiombe KPD MPDU oigo ndoche ekiombe gya kuko ase igo mwanju muri Ndizi TV tiatanga turaligelinga as naraliaya mwendete kusanga 9 ndoche Douglas Angwenya yotabanga tuned in from Assembly Point KTRH abanyagitari boy kwamba ndeto tobugate to manyenga abakore mboga ndrete mi account ya Kisii boli boy gondo chenga Douglas osorota nga kanyaga kuoga abu screen union aitakusai naralia anyway to as a Douglas osoro then what are you doing on screen if you never called for a strike? We have more than 200 health workers. We have KHPS, K9, KNMLO and KMPDU. Yes na boy gondoche omonto ngo saini monto go saini are return to work formula atarira na kale emeremo gose ago saini ekero arure a strike notice turachakira ase oyo turachakira ase Mary Shosh abatabanga omonto ngo saini are return to work formula atarira na emeremo gose ago saini kale strike.
Actually a strike on turachaka and to go sign to a agreement you go suspend a strike impending strike iwe agreement na bego sign go like onye strike ya chakira bantu na bona ya chakire igen to ra send return to work formula before last night utukati yalko antu tuari agreement Steven or Sunday mugaso it were going call just an agreement not to go on strike or to suspend the strike or not to such like
agreement it was even from the previous government ngonyara ndiro batorangiriti up to midnight fanisi tugatware meeting with the relevant people the former CS and everybody on board and we made sure that Tabat White were very promoted all of them who were employed in 2014 so we have done agreements before yes that is a binding agreement but you cannot deposit in court but it is a pre strike like one already it is now yetir nechingaki sa yege ngero is a return to work formula and in tuto the problem you can negotiate we can be called that's why I think chief of Sanyanga can tell him then Victor give room for negotiation we are ready for negotiations but bring something on the table for our members to feel ngara to ajiri strike na ndio ina empty handed baka tutu alikende tokatena ki kwa improve liga kwa ilikanga abantu employee abantu bandi koraiga and then to my kwa tuari agreement reto tebe level ground is okay mwata mirebono na into toire members tokatebe at least we have gained
yes ando chinga naro tenga karibu Daktari Victor na mwenzako kama KTRJ koros chibesa chinyinge ninkirende muta comment wa chibesa chino ni masenge kutoka suneka nege kubolinga ninge koros chibesa chinyinge ingirende mutali komolekero nabo iko kwa chibesa chino keneli bulende tukobolia
County any jurisdiction you comment on you know we are employees in government but we are doing local local personal arrangement ya KTRH na the local doctor and the KTRH so if you KTRH get cross chipese God forbid jetimanjiti wega njero muna kana na KTRH kwa ngere ndo na kan ni chibu beri chuk si sato ochikweta ni kira bichiru busana lakini by the end of the day oyo nyolire which is a vision mwananchi errekane yakolero
alright
and the segregation of patients nga oyo no yo amenity aramnyokigwe oyo private erati oyo le nyankitali gali general ward atigare so by the end of the day we need equity onyo batagete babika amenity tiata yabo the better oyo ikwenyara and amenity oyo ikwenyara era bangera ini muna oyo ko tariku konyeka by the end of the day what we need is equality and equity to everybody
alright okay mwanchumurilia on this TV ni otende sanganere Daktari Aggrey Orwenyo na boigo Victor Bwanchete Aggrey korwa sekiombe yake MPDU na boigo ensemo ya Victor korwa asekiombe ya kuko anemoge kumurikira abakori emirimo asegetaga kyobo ensemo yobo chenu anemono asetinya gitari chaito abutwende tukusangana maro anemono igorama nganagenrete ime county ya Kisii ensemo yobo chenu toche asensemo yao Dr. Aggrey entu apato koranga ase omogiro bakoba ase county ya Nairobi kero twarochinga abaraiba ino kurua se serikali enene kurua se ekiombeke kenene KMPDU babete bakorobika ntokarabo igo gati yomo yabaraiba ino oyo mona abete gakonyora chingoma chinchindi anemono abesa abete gakominyokiwa ase nyagitale sebo igo mo abete mokogosereria omogiro oyo olimu abete mokogosereria bwensengima oro okay bose tura chakera nga kidavish atela gendrete wikira bono yo
ambia gendrete no ari Nairobi Hospital HDU na kwalisa si akatware skull crack na internal bleeding yo bongo lakini mbia gendrete kanya ko bwenale rende singe incidents ina ndabantu bandi babete injured kere intibia korekanete masasi wako na tia gas canisters korutwa chindani chitomba umite na bara komnyoka mate kile kia korekanini njira abantu bakomnyoka utama lakini wikira burende kwende committee ya KMPDU ya Ikaransa National Executive Council na National Advisory Council wageting rero amanda manako abanyitali bagende gasi ensengima amanda manako lekane lakini ekero ko libosongo konyo Kisii county konyo tuina ni strike notice yaro gochaka igoro gutuko gati one ya considered na ne decision hiyo nationwide demonstrations cha Nyakitari lakini twa direct ya Nyakitari ba Nyanza twa tete bono Kisii county nere uchukwa our headquarter for protesting and demonstrating igo maite bono iga abange ba chire nche ba kwa ngaro ikire kuruga ngo chiturugo chaka demonstrations
igo tutebenga igo kenyingima omugiro noro ose omugiro yora chikoba kenyingima amatukali ngora chikoba
ni maite era vera rioka lakini ni understand tinge strike notice ngwena no ere campaign ngure strike notice ya nationwide over ya chishu chibune chitu abere toko tutagite Kisii county yakole.
All right. Inkiora bego teba daktari gorege korokia be kyamoberete omuliki bwe kyombe ya KMPDU. Inkiora bego kwanira no nyama ko genda somugira irochenga obolindi bwino mboroboli usemu kwate bwabanga maite gekoro kina bokira bagose yake inkiora kwanira igoro yenga ya moberete.
I think Dr. David Notwarengenera, even my secretary general of communication, I think Ramadamano, it is all healthcare workers. We join hands to condemn interview over kan musikata kwa tira itio kurutarisa asi kwa komuniti ya gasitu otari ore peaceful what demonstrate na ni ngenda kore nei tan kujibestia enda kokora eje kokonya manto so by the end of the day it is uncalled for. That's why we are saying no need to Kisii tutageti oche Tun they are armed to be changa chichito mona chichirinko be katieta ni mokenga ende kabisa mbeke stethoscope yani biko titu ya kwanda man tibu atike ngendo kwa hiyo kane scrap ne stethoscope yani ngendo kene ngotumeka mahali tieta so by the end of the day it will peaceful again the yakore kanatera is unfortunate and it is condemned. I think my chairman from Nairobi made a communication agatewanga abantu bo support ya maandamano aya but for Kisii already we are done so into tutagete all that ke okas bojo ni memeri yeye tora tebi county yeye era to yugo era to yugo maite former government ya to yugo because we striked and wakapta abane na kwa uroje ba jaote buseba jaote ba ba call office strike batara ngiri you know I don't know how human beings umuntu ago kurangiri ako tebanga orang ko love ye totara you know under your common senses so I feel pity to some people but nyasai na ro
my the job utambe serikali ere in place utakaya sese ni lakini ntuna tuweka mwana usinyoni geliku devolution ya chaka keranguli kura devolution ya chaka te Kisii county ya Nyakitari balinge just 33 lakini serikali iliyo muskongwa yete employ abantu right now Nyakitari very close to mtu aba close to 200 lakini kuruwe serikali ya change most have resigned most have sought intercounty transfers ba sokire ba chire singin joye emechande menge yeto ma go solve ono iga egento kende eko yento kenda ntareba igoro yechi transfer arbitral transfers otambe human resource ndo wate guidelines no bisaba kwa transferred Kisii county transfer and it happens across other counties even national government ekere transfer ko soka it's not a hidden document ngoro kino even other stuff so is moving to this place Kisii county transfer igo korangiru nchwe irubeli yabo neri wenje liri drafted iliko chapa it has been decided full stop no it has been decided that you move from this facility to this facility toroko te ngo decide ndo wate committee ngo DHR mark when they currency ya discuss biso to koira from this facility A to facility B na bwene retor services chai enta asomere na konya bako aboroire asako genda ebumbirgo korkana na bonda arukuru bona iga soke chiskali nyore lirwe ndangi njwe lirwe nyore it has been decided you move from this to this period.
All right report rinde ndo cheka ikanga banga collective bargaining agreement was signed in 2017. Where have you been up to now?
Collective agreement was signed in 2017. Where have been up to now? CBA it's a continuous document. Even though yani issues in that document mo ochirigere libya icho korkinga enemi to talinga to become implement at once even to na promotions them think okonyora promotions once 2017 kuru abutoko promoted That's why we call it CBA implementation. Co-promoting abantu na wento promoted. Una wana mnyakitalia wento kora 2 years or 3 years in one job group to move to another job group. So it's, I would call it a continuous document. You have to, our role, that's why we need to be meeting as a CBA committee. Members from the union side and members from the government side. 5 key people: Count Secretary, Chief Officer Health, Chief Officer Finance, HR Director. Very key people. Yes, who chairs the CBA committee. But I'm under key count to able to come na quarterly as per the CBA document. Can go in the wing we cover solved.
All right. Okay,
Upon what Dr. Agri has put it. The previous government, we enjoyed the fruits of revolution in the previous government. We are not politics. Do assign it MOU to the Madras office because we saw towards the end of the tenure, His Excellency Governor but to attend it. What we are saying, abantu bachite chiskuru as why original doctor as why chite chiskuru chicken goes chikaenda chiskuru initially kwa konyora yete fully occupied sai yete bwate chisajo ni chirororo chi consultant ni chirororo chi anesthetist clinical officer chirororo on full time about 24 hours in here because labor is there but by the end of the day bono a county territory is bandu chiskuru talking about Kurugesa, and there is continuity in government. There are some ways you can maneuver but you can't regularize these things because government has to continue. So, and this demotivates even somebody carry a progression wise.
All right. And the NSM and the Nara Koboling, will I be wrong to say that the two are being used by external forces against the governor? Koboling, Ekerangali, Kekyo nobody will say Chingurunchiro was Havana, Sambaro by the Tukuba Suguma, in the Konyangali County, Tango Chakra Sagre, again the Kenekino.
Again to get into Tueka. Usually, no like strike notice, Equanua, telling Agiria Kubo draft your strike notice. The water committee. National Advisory Council, National Executive Council, Nyanza branch came between the water committee branch executive committee comprised of 15 people. My role is to communicate. Only 15 people by tiring a image and Nere County. This is the direction majority have voted for. Njemne secretary as secretary, branch secretary, the spokesperson of the union is to do the formal communication. Yeah. Any external influence. And we are very independent, actually extremely very independent. Lakini mochando maite politicians nabo onyore serikali onye ono mugava na tagwanjeti mubwata magana ino. Lakini ewe kaninga na akor na ro kanira skete na ntu akwana ni gweta wankwani ino mochando.
All right. Yes, and same yao.
Well, union is politics. And into we don't play politics of politicians of hunting votes, and which is politics of improving welfare of workers. There is no external force which are taking a victor angry strike. No, that's why we started it from last year. Nimonane body tarat. No ekero governor Simba tore some ngakiguru tenere Simba hits. Toka jago saying a memorandum Camel Park. There was no political inclination to what area did to attempt to to attend to so by the end of the day into the what an external force they collect into a key implement even 10 very simple. We go back to work and then we continue and then harmoniously be communicating. What I call the other time love letters, you what the salary delays because the other government was communicating, but they don't be telling about the love letters, you what the salary delays. So tell me how you are improving the welfare of workers. So those are the things we need.
Job. Actually, I can go to Nyanza. County Chospi is a Nemo. Chospi to run strikes. Kis is the last county probably to actually go. Actually, only county near to are very very lenient. And we are sorry for our members. Kiara michandi ara very mengi ba auto sukuma lakini to ata Kisi county to anya time kiara body ya renkoro ya change place a few months ago. we have been very lenient with Kisii County. But all other counties who will know Homa Bay, before even the Kisii strike notice was issued, Homa Bay Konya strike was by Regas. And Chikaunti Chile Chospi, we have achieved things for our members. We are promotions, or even our counterparts. My classmate at University Nairobi, he got 2 job groups ahead of me. So what is wrong us pushing the county or demanding the county to do the right thing? No, serikali tete ya almost ungwai. Kera wao sometimes never kanya waki usanga nero tutumia. Tu alikuwa na strike kiruka lioka. Enyo mshahara onyoru yeke chitari sana mshahara toyo to ali create demand. Akana bantu within 5 days. Iko tali ngenteke ni tike serikali ya adapt. That's how unions operate.
Won to chakere asense mwa akinge nchondo chinga ebiro bya bere bikoera na ende ndo chinga chinsa cha biro chikomnyoka kegima na nente tiko bali bakali abene won to yanchakere asense mwa ya daktari Aggrey karwe karengelikia okyo mwali na boyiko gusaba kwa gotia se serikali ye county ya Kisii
kerengelikia nikyo mwali neli ebintu togo demand togo sabe serikali ye kole ne bintu bire ndlo no le union ye yoka ye Bangede unions nebinte bire in the constitution serikali ekori organize. Ndo ndasabe serikali tikaba call the right thing. Baturangeli umukutano soba tali tutware dialogue not a monologue. Maite mukutano ndeto kwenda gosomerwa kwa lecture. The other party doesn't want to listen. Muchando kyo what do you have? Honesty, discussions and deliberations. Nerera to konye. Lakini nende kera akonge. Utambe channel chiro na to saba national government the human resource function for Kisii County back to Nairobi. It happened even Sonko time. Kere serikali ya Nairobi has to according to the right way. National government formed something called used to NMS, Nairobi Metropolitan Services. You go, but we don't want to get there. But ke konya harakati na motoko swago demand usukuma even the national government to take up that role.
Yes, to cha sense ma Victor Orwenga na yo mwali na boyo ratebinga account ya Kisii baraba ko barangi na boyo kotegere brengere beno murangi kwira ni kasi. Yes.
Kwira ni kasi ya because you see ega tu agiri na to de ando ni kasi. What we say is that work formula. So we ndo to account ya Kisii to we are sober. We want sober discussions. No intimidations, no threats. To go threat ni muntu rio tagete mojo kukwana kwa makwira ni wantigasi. So by the end of the day, what we need, service. Because we were trying to offer services. Not it's not our that's why you see some of us even we are not elaborate much. So what we are saying, chikirin goes at Risa to Chitarakan, one or you what they go to order, and we just feel like we are considerate. So please do something. Even us will do something. So by the end of the day, it's a matter of give and take a situation, win-win situation for each of us. So a county government together, to chair table meeting, to tigo kongaina na ngeka even tombira obviously under the table. So we become open and trust and honesty to colleague so by the end of the day, if we don't agree, we might request the national government to take over. Because you see, all of us are employees, we are eligible to work anywhere. The county so that a service can one inch. Tariate, Tochikoruana, Konsana to tweak. And they can see to one, so please on the table to one Eruga, Motoyana. It done work for me can be signed anytime and deposited in court.
Yes, Mwancho Murgelia on Ndizi TV. Tuwabeto kusanga na Aggrey Orwenyo na boigo Victor Bwanchete akuruwa sekyombegya kuko na boigo Aggrey nega kuruwa sekyombegya KMPDU. Tuwabeto kusanga amangana mange anene mono ayarengete sekta yobo chenu ase county ya Kisii. Mbia mono aso wikira nase studio. Mbia mono aso wikira nase studio. Tebanga tebenga kiyo mwali gocha ime ye studio ya Ndizi TV. Ndobeto kwendra kubarangeli. Anene mono tuwabeto kusanga anene mono kumulikira amangana arengete abanyagitari nabo iko obochenu ase county ya Kisii nabo iko county tonjukana ine ime Yorogongo Rwanyanza. Sasa Mwancho muri Ndizi TV hengo kwirane limbya mono boigo asukubwaterana na inchego chakera chinza chiamambi ase twarengenere Frida Kirubo oyo bagako ngali bagali abene elinde mengo sanga nabagani baito linga kichiamambi ya lero nabo iko tinkumweba Abigail Nyanchama oyo ne kinga boigo chibichechi na Mario gingo chinyorole asenchira yobwekera nase kumonje muri Ndizi TV tabambia mono asenje kusangana into kolende ngo wange otebinga ntubwate emeroberio emengeke kima ko semina boigo ndobe to weso kuna boigo gutarira chinsemo au ase orogongo rwagusin anene mono ecounty kisiri nde koranga ekero babere bakuraria omogiroyo nararia arabiga kogendera ime ye county ya Kisese to basa gusuka asenge njonto kwalika emeroberio koko kia gosemia na boigo yo kumanyia amange agendrete ime yorogongo rwagusi aseigo kolina tunaenda tura kurumurubirio ukumanyinga litukolia mambi botambe ko bochene kini kolende kero bochene gwa chichi kolia Jumatatu mambi yo turabe tukumolekera amangana agenderate asensema ya siasa seigo ogendera gotengera Ndizi TV natagerire nabatakire oborigereria obya ime ya Ndizi TV nyoranga intwe nabwo obwansu obwomogusi.
Ndizi TV, obwansu bwomogusi. kwikira bono ayebunu mwagachi kwa manyire eduka okogenda kujya ibintu byose biriyo gukorera imirimo yawo. Osmo Traders Limited nigo babwate kitali cyo kwaranse ase nyumba yawo nabo igogobeka sinyasi bune babu egikoni living room nabo igo ekikobe kwesiko babwate sanitary wares ubuna chising kibakuri chete cyo cyonsi